You are welcome, Ben from Street at Hope TV. Kaon ta host. Ansay gikaon mo, Annabelle? Baba G, Assalamualaikum. Ay, naku. Hol. Baba G, hi Baba G. 2721. Hindi mo agi akong bulpi. Guys, please support for Call Vibes, guys, okay? And for Baba J, guys, please support for Baba J. Wala si Archie, wala good. Unsa ka siya, Bing? Basin busy siguro. Wala mo dihang maguwang ay manghod niya. Wala ba kay kanang nagsakit daw ng pagan. Wala to dito kaani mag-in. Guys, just 3 minutes me guys, okay? I will end na guys after 3 minutes guys. I'm very sleepy guys. I feel tired. Yeah, and this Baba J guys, please support for Baba J. This is her channel. Ito na mo. Yung na dyan siya kong mata. Ay, ako kimuts. So this is more and this and more done. Oh, I can think about ano pala. I will be back. Have a phone call, Marites. Sir Dad, it's okay, don't worry, Sir Dad, because I will end Sir Dad also. Okay, sakit sa paaoy. Kaon sa bangko. Sakit akong pagi, kaon sa bangko. I am tired and sleepy, Han. See you tomorrow, everyone. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, Cool Vibes. Okay, and I will share your video. And I will message you. I have message for you. Okay. I'm very sleepy. I feel tired now. I share your video, okay? Oh. Ay, wala ko nila po. Ay, yung balay, sis. Wala ko siya po ito. Wala ko. Try. Have in my hair. Baba J. Wala. Good siya. Ay, dala din. Wala. Dali, wala.